Dark matter, the universe's hidden cookie jar. Learn about dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up most of the universe's mass, but cannot be directly observed. Ah, my young friend, I can see that gleam in your eye. You've heard the whispers of the universe, haven't you? The secret conversations of the stars and the distant galaxies. The ones that hint at mysteries so deep they would send even the wisest of dragons into contemplative silence. Yes, there are forces at play in the cosmos, invisible to the naked eye, yet essential to the very structure of all that is. These forces are the unseen weavers, the hidden hands that guide the motion of galaxies and the shape of the universe itself. Today, I shall tell you of one such force, a substance so elusive, so enigmatic, but it remains a riddle to this very day: dark matter. Now, I know what you're thinking. What is dark matter, Zoran? Where is it? How can something be dark and matter at the same time? Well, sit back and let me weave you a tale, for this is no ordinary story. You see, unlike the stars that shine brightly in the night sky, dark matter does not reveal itself in such a simple manner. Oh no, it's not made of light. Like the stars you see twinkling above, it doesn't glow, it doesn't emit radiation, and you can't touch it or taste it, like you would a cookie fresh from the oven. And yet without it, the universe would be a very different place indeed. Let us journey back in time, to when the stars were still young, and the universe was a hot, dense ball of energy. As the universe expanded, it began to cool, and matter started to form atoms, gas, dust, and eventually stars. But there was a problem. When astronomers looked at the galaxies, they noticed something strange. The stars and gas within galaxies were moving too quickly. They were spinning so fast that the gravitational forces of the visible matter couldn't possibly hold them together. It was as if there was something else, something unseen, keeping the galaxies from flying apart. At first, they thought perhaps there was a hidden mass somewhere, something they couldn't see, but that was exerting a gravitational pull, and so they called this unseen mass dark matter. But what is it exactly? That, my young traveler, is where the story becomes truly fascinating. Imagine, if you will, a great cosmic cookie jar, an enormous jar that sits at the heart of the universe, so vast that you could never hope to see it all in a single lifetime. This jar is not filled with the chocolate chip cookies you might find in your grandmother's kitchen. Oh no, it's filled with something far stranger. Dark matter is the cosmic filling that holds everything together, the glue that binds the very fabric of the universe. But here's the peculiar thing: we can't see it, we can't touch it, and yet, just like a cookie jar full of sweet treats that mysteriously influences the way you will arrange the cookies on a tray, dark matter affects the way galaxies and stars form, and how they move through the vast void of space. It is the invisible hand that shapes the cosmos, and though we cannot directly observe it, we know that it's there. This cosmic cookie jar is spread throughout the universe, hiding in plain sight, filling the spaces between stars and galaxies. In fact, scientists believe that around 85% of the mass in the universe is made up of dark matter, yet it remains completely invisible to our eyes. It doesn't emit light, and it doesn't absorb light, making it utterly mysterious. But its presence is undeniable, because it affects the motion of galaxies, the way clusters of stars move, and even the shape of the universe itself. If I could tell you where to find dark matter in the night sky, it would be like asking a dragon to show you the invisible breeze, though you cannot see it. You feel its effects as it whispers through the trees. Similarly, the effects of dark matter are seen through the way galaxies spin, the way clusters of galaxies behave, and how light bends as it passes through vast regions of space. This bending of light, known as gravitational lensing, is like a cosmic magnifying glass, revealing the hidden presence of dark matter, even though we cannot touch it. Now, you might wonder, what is dark matter made of, Zoran? What is it composed of? Ah, there lies the rub, my young friend. You see, despite our best efforts, we do not yet know the exact nature of dark matter. Some believe it is made of exotic particles that are unlike anything we've ever encountered. These particles, called WIMPs, or weakly interacting massive particles, are thought to pass through ordinary matter without interacting with it in any significant way. It's almost as if they are the universe's secret keepers, silently influencing the cosmos while remaining completely hidden. But why, you may ask? Would the universe need such a thing as dark matter? Why must there be something we cannot see or touch that governs the cosmos? And that, my young adventurer, brings us to a very important truth. The universe is a place of balance. Everything in the cosmos, from the tiniest atom to the grandest galaxy, is bound together by invisible forces that we are only beginning to understand. Dark matter, as strange and mysterious as it may seem, plays a vital role in that balance, ensuring that the stars don't scatter to the winds, and that galaxies maintain their shape. Without dark matter, the universe would be a much emptier place, with stars and galaxies unable to form and evolve in the way they do today. So, while you may never be able to reach into the cosmic cookie jar to sample what's inside, know that dark matter is there, quietly doing its work. It is the hidden ingredient, the unsung hero of the universe, shaping the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. And just as I, a humble dragon, can gaze upon the stars and see the invisible threads that connect them, so too can you, through the wisdom of science and the light of curiosity, catch a glimpse of the hidden forces that bind all things. Remember this, my young friend. The universe is not just what you see. There are layers upon layers, hidden from view, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to ask the great questions. And while dark matter may remain a mystery for now, know that the journey to understand it is just another chapter in the grand tale of cosmic exploration. Perhaps, one day, you will uncover the secrets of the universe's hidden cookie jar, if not in this lifetime, then in the many that follow. For the mysteries of the stars are endless, and each discovery, no matter how small, brings you closer to the heart of the cosmos itself.